Is your HiSense Android TV not turning on and showing black screen? Then don't be stressed, cause in most cases it just needs some simple troubleshooting. So here's how you fix your HiSense TV that won't power up or turn on. If you're not seeing anything on your HiSense TV, then the very first thing that you should try doing is cold boot or power cycling your TV. To do this, just pull your TV's power cord and then wait around 3 to 5 minutes before turning your TV back on. If you're still not seeing anything, then instead of using your remote's power button, try the TV's power button and see if your TV comes up. If it does, then your remote may need change of batteries. If your TV still has black screen and won't turn on, then the next thing we'll check whether it's getting enough power. You can easily tell that by looking at the red standby LED. If you don't see the LED, then make sure the power cable at the back of your TV is connected properly, and also it's properly connected to a power source. Sometimes the plug that it's inserted into may be damaged, so you can try a different power outlet. And in case it's plugged into a surge protector or an extension cord, then you should also try connecting your TV directly into a wall outlet and see if that helps. And lastly, you should also check the power cord for physical damage, and if you see it's worn out or torn in places, then trying a different power cord will be a wise thing to do. In case your HiSense TV shows the Android TV logo and after that goes into black screen, this can happen because of external devices. So in this case, remove any HDMI or USB device that's plugged into your TV and then reboot your TV. If you see nothing on your TV, not even the logo, then there's a couple reasons why this can happen. The first one is extreme temperature. For example, if the temperature is too low, then your TV screen may stop working. So you can try heating up your TV's panel by using a hairdryer for a few minutes and your TV screen should come up. The second reason why you are seeing black screen is if your TV's backlight is damaged or not working at all. If you want to double check whether this is the case, then you can try playing some music on your TV and see if you can hear it. You can just move around or give your TV voice command and tell it to play some music. If you hear music, then you can be sure that your TV has no software issues, but you just need to change the backlight. But unfortunately, if you can't hear any sound and there's no display either, and your TV won't power up at all, then this can be a hardware issue. So in that case, you need to get your TV repaired or contact HiSense support. And these are all the steps that you can follow to fix your HiSense TV's no display issues.